Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add scripts in TradingView. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm logged into my account, and this is a free account. And what TradingView actually is, it is a site which is used to keep track of any stocks, forex, crypto, and so on and so forth. You can make a watch list to make sure that you are informed of the changes and the values of those said options. You can also view their charts to see how their market trajectory has been in the past, however long you would like. You can also make predictions and forecasts based on this, which you can use indicators to help you with this. However, you can also add what are they called? My brain just stopped working for a second. With which you can add scripts. Now, the way that you actually add scripts is the following. As you can see, I am on a chart. This is the Ethereum to US dollar chart. I am currently using a free account, as I've probably mentioned, and what is characteristic for a free account, you only have access to 3 indicators, and I think there are some limitations for scripts. I'm not 100% sure. However, just let's get right into it. This is how you add your scripts. You have to click on the indicators button, and once you're here, you can also go to my scripts, where you can add your own scripts in Find Script. You can click create your first script now, through which you can actually use a script and create your script. However, you can also go to community scripts, from which you can use any community script which you would like freely. I don't think there is any limitations for a free account. You can view what the editor's picks are. You can pick the top, the trending scripts, whatever you want. Just click on them and they should be added exactly like that. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.